Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center. In this video, we will install latest Ubuntu desktop, and which is the best alternative of Windows 10 as well. So I have already created video on Zorin OS as well. I will put the link in the description if you want to check out that. Then it is also a great option and alternative of Windows 10. So in this video, we will talk about Ubuntu desktop. So you have to type onto the Chrome browser Ubuntu download, then you will have a first link, then you have to click on that, and then you have to come on to the Ubuntu 24.04, which is a stable version. So Intel or AMD 64-bit architect, it is supported. So click onto the download. Once you click onto the download, then you have to give any email address over here. You can give personal email address as well. So I'm using for the personal use and educational, and you can also check mark the work as well if you want to. These are the formalities. So if you want to check this, then you can check mark it, no problem at all. So I agree. Subscribe now, and you can see that downloading has been started. So it will take around 1 hour. Rest depend on your internet speed. So once it is downloaded, I will be back. So Ubuntu has been downloaded successfully, and you can see that we have Ubuntu desktop, and we are going to perform installation onto the virtual machine. So if you, in your case, if you have a physical system, you have to perform the installation onto the physical system. So you can use Rufus, and you can create the bootable USB and then plug in the bootable USB and then install onto the physical system. I have already created a lot of video on that, so you can go through my channel. So we are performing installation onto the VMware EXSI. So let's create the VM. Next, then we will give name, then we have to select Linux, then Ubuntu 64-bit. Hit next, and then we have to give the space, data store. I'm going to select my data store, and then we have to give 8-core processor, then 8 GB of RAM, then we have to give hard drive 90 GB, let's say, and then we have to select network adapter, then we have to select the ISO, upload the ISO, downloads, and then Ubuntu. So uploading ISO will take time around 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video. Once it's done, we will start the installation. Ubuntu desktop has been uploaded. Now we have to select this, select, and then hit next, then finish. Then we have to navigate to respected machine, Ubuntu desktop, and then power on. Try to install, hit on that. So you can see that installation has been started. Wait for a second. We have to select English, next, next, English United States, next, use wired connection, do not connect to the internet, use wire connection. We will go for that. but at the moment wire is not connected with our system because VM is not connected with the internet. We will connect later on, so we will go for do not connect to the internet. Next, install Ubuntu. Next, interactive mode. Next, default selection. Next, install third-party app. For time being we are not installing the third-party app, but install third-party app, software, graphics card, Wi-Fi, hardware, including but not limited to NVIDIA. So we will check on that, because if you have any third-party software, so third-party hardware, so it will be accommodate automatically. Next, erase all the drive before the installation. Yes. Next, now we have to give it the name. Password. Next, now we have to select the region. So you have to select your region. I'm going to select my region. Hit next. Install. So installation has been started and it will take around 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Once it is done, I will be back. Ubuntu desktop has been installed successfully. Now it's asking to restart. Now we will restart it. So you can see that system has been restarted. So once it is up, I will be back. So Ubuntu has been installed successfully and it is the best alternative of Windows 10, and it is Linux, so it is open source. So if you want to set the settings of network, because I have disabled the DHCP on my router, so we have to assign the IP manually onto the Ubuntu. So you can see that we have a wired setting. We can assign a manual IP, and then we can give the subnet and IP address, and then we can also open the remote desktop. If you want to take the RDP connection, you can see that it is currently off. So everything is available inside the Ubuntu, and it is the perfect alternative of Windows 10. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to further deep dive in Ubuntu, you want to install applications or anything else, then leave the comment in this section. I will more deep dive in the upcoming video. I will more deep dive into the Ubuntu, but obviously if you want this, you have to leave the comments in this comment section. Then definitely I will do that. So this is the perfect alternative of Windows 10, and you can use Ubuntu. It is Linux based and it is open source. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, with the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.